Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be showing you how to share links to your Google Bard chats. So let us get started. To begin, open your browser and type bard.google.com. Make sure you are logged into your Bard account before proceeding. Next, click on a new chat to start a conversation. Create a prompt, for example, how to make a poem. To share this prompt with others, look for share icon located below the response. Tap on it and share options menu will appear. Click on share and then select create public link. This will then generate a unique public link for your chat. Now, simply copy the public link and you can share it with anyone you wish. This link allows others to access and continue the conversation in the chat. By sharing the chat link, you can collaborate and engage with others, making Google Bard a valuable tool for interactive discussions and creative exchanges. I think that's it. I hope this video helps you share your Bard chats effortlessly. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.